Are you feeling like you're running like a hamster on a wheel? Is this a crazy time right now? I'm hearing that over and over. I think there's a lot of fatigue. People are stressed. We're all overworked, overtired. Holidays are coming. We've had, somewhat of remote work situations. Kids in and out of school. We can't get things that we need because the supply chain is screwed up. We've got inflation and gas prices. Just a stressful time. So here's my tip for you today. I was talking with a friend this morning, a realtor friend of mine, and we were just talking about our 2022 goals and plans and what are the things that we're doing right now that we don't need to be doing. Right? We all get stuck in a rut where we say yes to things that maybe we shouldn't say yes to because we feel bad. Or we have the, FOMO, fear of missing out. So we say yes to things and then we're like, why did I say yes to this? I don't even have time to do it. Or it doesn't bring me joy. It's not life-giving. So I would challenge all of us to sit down as you're thinking about the new year, thinking about what you're doing now that is stressful, that doesn't bring you joy, that isn't life-giving, that maybe you said yes just because you felt bad, and it's not really something you should be doing with your time. Think about the fact that time is such a precious commodity. You never get it back. Once you use it, it's gone. So let's all be cognizant to try to use our time wisely, reevaluate what you're doing. I, for one, am taking 2 things off of my weekly schedule that I had committed to in 2020 and 2021. And honestly, they don't bring me joy anymore. They're not life-giving. And they're just not necessary. So I feel bad. I had to say, no, I'm not going to be involved in this particular, group anymore. I'm not going to be contributing to this thing over here anymore. But I've got to do what's best for me, my family, my business. And really that makes me a better person for everybody else I'm working with. I'm going to be able to give more of me in a way that is going to be a meaningful impact in a different direction. So I just challenge you, think about the things that you're doing. Think about if they're all things you should be doing and really sit down and figure out what is stressing you out the most. And maybe you can just pare back and simplify some of those things and all find some peace this year. All right, so give us a call, Michelle.oddo, the Oddo Group. I'd love to strategize, even if you just want to talk about planning your year next year. I'm your gal. I love doing it. So give us a call. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.